And I see we have out here some silver tequila.
Yes, we do. So this is a newer one that I found. Do you want to give it a try?
Oh, I would love to try a little taster.
There you go.
Very sweet on the nose. That's a nice silver. Very nice.
Okay, so today we are going to be doing a grapefruit margarita. Instead of using triple sec or any orange liqueur like is usually used in it, we're going to be using pamplemousse, which is just a grapefruit liqueur. Other than that, it's going to be built exactly the same as a pretty standard margarita. We're going to blend it though. So let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to squeeze some lime wedge into this over the ice, and I'm just going to build it in here just because it's going to be blended anyways. It doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm going to do 2 ounces of this because we're doing a double batch. Okay, it smells so good.
It does.
So I don't know what cleaning products you use, but if you use Method, if you use their grapefruit one, you will always think about this. So
it sounds like I'm just gonna have to drink that after I'm done cleaning them.
Exactly. It's a nice reward for cleaning.
I think so.
Okay, we're gonna do 4 ounces of this. Okay.
I don't remember the last time I had a frozen margarita, so this is a treat.
It's been a minute for me too, so we're both in for a treat. Now I've done some homemade sweet and sour. It's equal parts lime juice, lemon juice, and simple syrup. We're gonna do 6 ounces of that. Now we're gonna blend it. Okay. Now I'm going to rim our glasses. We're gonna do half salt, half Tajin.
I love Tajin. Wow.
I'll give you a little bit extra.
Oh, very generous.
There you go.
Thank you, Kelly.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, the grapefruit works very well.
It does. Kind of reminds me of like a frozen riff on a Paloma.
Yeah.
I think it works really well in place of the triple sec though.
Yeah, I like that pamplemousse. It's a very nice like alternative to other things, and not like too strong, not too sweet or anything like that. But this one says you from the Tajin, when you smell it, you get like a smoky quality to it as well.
Right.
But like,
I think it all works together, balances out.
it does. Dangerous.
Yeah.
Cheers, Kelly. Thank you.